Hello, warriors. Did you miss me? No? I know it's been a while since I last posted a video. It's been a crazy couple of months. I just moved to Washington State. I was living in Florida, but here I am, super excited. I'm back into my makeup craft and I'm ready to upload some videos. So we're into spooky season and I'm here in Washington, which is even spookier because it looks spooky outside, but I love it because it's all fall-like and I can't wait. I really wanted to create like a skull-looking type of look, but I also wanted it to be like super glam. So I came up with this look, and I also wanted something like kind of nighttime. I've been watching a lot of like vampire things, and I thought, okay, I want some nighttime colors. So I came up with this. We have some blues, some purples. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching.
Open up the windows, feel that summer wind, dancing in the court now, and I feel real, out of my opinion, that I can't come.
The first thing that we're going to do is prime our face, and I'm going to be going in with the Tula primer. And this will help our look last a lot longer. Next thing that we're going to be doing is putting glue on our eyebrows to better camouflage it with the paint. Just go ahead and put that all up in your eyebrow. And I like to go in upward motions. Now that that's dry, I'm going to be going in with some black paint and this really fine paint brush. We're going to be drawing a circle here. Now, who's ready to draw some more lines and get some more anxiety? This girl, how about you? I'm using this eyeliner pencil to outline shapes on my face. I like to use a lighter eyeliner pencil. In case you make any mistakes, it's easier to wipe off. Because if you go in with black, it's pain to take off. Now we're going to be shaping the shapes up here. Now that we have that all carved out, we can go ahead and start with our white paint. I'm using this white paint that I got off Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it down below. If you have this little guy, that'd be great. So you can go ahead and get these little spots. Choke myself a little bit. Don't do that. I actually did a few coats. I can get the desired white that I wanted. Next thing that you should do is put a setting powder. Ooh, I'm white. Now we're just gonna go back in with our black and redefine our black line. We're now gonna fill in our eyebrows completely with black paint. Go to town with that black paint. Don't be shy. Get up in there. Now that we have our eyes completely outlined in black, we can go ahead and start working on the eyeshadow. My favorite part. Oh man, my teeth be looking yellow with all this white on. Ew. We're gonna start with our eye primer. Careful, your line may still be wet. So if you have long nails like me, Try not to mess up like I did here. Going into our BH Cosmetics palette, we're going to be going into this color using a fluffy brush that looks like this. Be applying this color above our crease. Just keep packing on color until it looks very vibrant. Now we're ready to go on to our other colors. We're going to go ahead and mix these two colors together using our MAC 217S brush. As you can see, I've done this look before. And you're gonna put this on your outer corner and just pack, 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 pack. And you can start bringing it over here to start blending, but you want it to mainly be vibrant on the outer corner. Taking this Morphe M35 brush, it's all nice and fluffy, we're just gonna go ahead and blend these two colors together. Going in with this color using this brush, I'm gonna go ahead just on the outer corner right here. You're gonna place that color. And I like to use little circle motions to apply this color. Now go ahead and clean off your brush and blend that color in. Now that those colors are all nicely blended, we're going to use our ColourPop No Filter Concealer using this brush, Morphe M421. It looks like this. We're just going to make I like to think of it as a cloud. Yeah, let's go with a cloud. Nina, that doesn't look like a cloud. You'll see what I mean. And for this look, I like to bring it just up to here. Trying to get the line as straight as possible. Using this Morphe M124 brush, I'm going to use it on my lid. Going into this palette right here, I'm going to dip into this color. I'm just going to put that on the outer part of where we put our cut crease. And you're just going to stop it about right there. Using the same brush, I'm going to use this color. This is now going in the middle. And I like to drag it this way to kind of blend the colors together. Now, using the same brush and the same palette, I'm gonna go in this color, apply it right here. I'm back in with this fluffy brush. We're gonna go in with that color that we used at the beginning and blend out all of this. Using this Lavish brush, we're gonna go back into that color that we used before, and just on the outer corner, we're just going to pack on that color to just darken it up. Now with that same color that we applied at the beginning and using this brush that we've been using, we're gonna put that in our inner corner. Now that the eyeshadow is complete, we can move on to the outside of the eye. I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using the black eyeshadow. You can go ahead and use any black eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this brush, and I'm just going to be smudging the black eyeshadow upward. And stop about here because we're going to be adding more colors. Now, next color will be that color that we used for our eyeshadow, that bluish color. And same thing that we did with the black, go upward. Before we get closer to our eyes, we're going to add some shadow underneath. We're gonna go back into those two colors that we added before and just put that all along. Now adding this color to the side. And lastly, this color to the inner corner. Now we can continue the rest of our eye. I'm gonna go in back with this color that we used on our eye and keep doing what we were doing before, but now with a new color. Not going back in with that second to darkest blue. Last color that we're gonna add is that light blue, and you're just gonna add that at the bottom. Instead of using black eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and use this liner. I think it looks better in pictures. It just makes your eyes look brighter, in my opinion. So go ahead and put that in your waterline. The next part we're going to be working on is the teeth. Now this part could be a little bit tedious. You could practice on a piece of paper, or you could practice on yourself until you finally get it. I know I had to do it a few times, but I finally managed to do it. So you got this, let's do it. I'm using this Kat Von D liquid liner. And what you're gonna do is you're going to draw a line. And then now you're gonna draw lines. Make sure that they're spread apart, and you don't wanna have too many teeth because then it's gonna look funny, and then you don't want them spaced too much because then you'll have like really big teeth. Now with your liquid liner, you're going to make little V's on the top of the lines that you made. Now with this brush, we're gonna start smudging and blending the top where the V is. One way to help you is just think Hershey Kisses. So just think of the shape of a Hershey's Kiss, and do the bottom as well. Now taking your black paint, you're going to paint under here and under here. You're going to draw a line to darken up under there. We're going to darken up the corners and kind of angle them a little bit. I'm going to go back in with white paint just to make it look more like white teeth and not like my actual teeth. Now that we have our teeth done, we're going to be doing the cheekbone area. In order to do that, we're going to take our black paint again and start tracing how we want it to be. With my smudger brush, I'm going to take the black color in the Jeffree Star palette and start smudging the black color downward. My family was talking in the background, so I had to mute it for a second. So all I did was connect the teeth to the back, and now I'm just going to color it white. I'm just going to paint it white so that it all blends in together. Teeth are all finished. Now we're gonna go ahead and paint right here and create the shape. Now to create some dimension on our forehead, we're going to be using our Jeffree Star palette with this color and using this angled fluffy brush. Okay, now on to the gemstones. We're going to go ahead and put that all over our circle, one by one. For glue, I'm just using eyelash glue. They are all over our eyes. Ooh, blingy bling. Now we are going to add it to our nose, one by one. Just follow that line that we had added at the beginning. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using these Dazzling eyelashes that I picked up at Spirit. They are so cute. They're like all shimmer shimmer. We are almost finished. We just have to make some expressions to make the skull come alive. With your black eyeshadow and your paintbrush, you're gonna draw 2 frowns. Now we're gonna draw underneath our eyes. Now taking my paint, I'm just gonna add some cracks into my face. Okay, warriors, this is the finished and completed look. Sometimes I am honestly impressed with myself. I have to give myself a pat on the back because I say, wow, I can't do it. And then I do it and I'm like, yay, I did it. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful and I hope you guys can recreate this look. And I hope you have a wonderful and spooky holidays. Don't forget to give yourself lots of self-love and self-care. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
When I feel like dying, the sun is still